And that's an amazing price for this. You do not need very much. This has freeze-dried aloe, hyaluronic acid, and I believe this also has the algae extract in it as well. This is just a fantastic eye product. So let me go ahead. I don't need to. Let's just go ahead and do. It's kind of light. It's super. You can see here. So this is kind of. I'm just gonna put it kind of like around your brow bone. And it's very light. It's not a cream. It's not heavy. And this not only helps with puffiness, and I really need it under my left eye because for some reason I've been having like all kinds of allergy things going on in my left eye today. It's very cooling, it's very refreshing, and it's gonna help with any kind of wrinkles as well. So I like to kind of put it out here. And it doesn't dry, like it doesn't get dry, you know, like some of them will dry out on your skin, or sometimes they're too creamy. This one just stays very dewy. Kayla, thank you for the like. You guys, thank you so much for coming. Like the best eye serum that I've ever found. And it just feels so refreshing. Like I'm actually really glad that I just put it under my left eye, because my left eye is like I said, it's been just bothering me. And so it immediately creates this refreshed look to your eyes. I love it. You have the, like I said, you have the freeze-dried aloe, the hyaluronic acid. All these ingredients are clean. It's going to last you a while as well. I actually put way more on than I would normally use because you don't need that much at all.